Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're excited to show you our new and improved upper door seals for the 80 to 96 Ford Trucks and Broncos. Made from high-quality modern rubber compounds, our door seals are made to withstand the test of time. For a super easy installation, they come with two-sided peel and stick adhesive pre-installed, and they now feature the end retaining clip like the Ford originals. That aids in the correct seal alignment and keeps the door seal end from being dislodged in the area that's prone to failure. So if you're working on an 80 to 96 Ford truck or Bronco, trust the name that has stood for quality Ford weather stripping for over 50 years. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.